Hi everybody, welcome back to another video in the series that I'm producing regarding skills that we might need to use during our remote learning time. So today is about split screening during Google Meet. So you'll remember this presentation from another video if you've seen that one where we were commenting on Google Slides. That link is also available to you if you need some help with that. But today we're going to work on Google Meets and split screening. So if I go into a Meet here, I'm in my Google Classroom for 5 Doyle. Let's say I want to meet with them. I click on my Google Meet. I have the camera off for this just because it's actually recording me right now. But so normally your face would be here, right? So we'll not allow it for now. But normally your face would be here. Everybody else would be able to join. Now, if you want to present your screen, right? So now I'm presenting my screen, okay? But this is the only, well, I'm not presenting quite yet. So I will present my window. Let's do screen 3, I believe this is. So yes, this is that. So I'll allow it for now. And so now I'm just presenting my screen. But if I want to go split screen here, what I'd actually have to do is make this a separate window, minimize it, okay? And then I can actually, I would just have to size it up so it's just on 1/2 of the screen. So you might have to do a little finagling for that. And this is what I want to show to the kids, but I also don't want, to be able to not see them, right? So if I do this, let me just get rid of this quickly. That's another video I was editing. So if I do this, I'm still presenting, and if there were people in my Meet, I'd be able to see them right here. Okay, so I can still, keep an eye on who's paying attention, who's listening, things like that. But also they can see what I'm presenting here. So hopefully this answers the question of how do I split screen in Google Meet. You'd literally just need 2 separate tabs.
Thank you so much for logging in, and we look forward to seeing you back for another exciting tutorial video.